This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Marquita Stevens. 2-story home with finished walkout basement, large cul-de-sac, Deluxe 24 by 12 detached workshop/playhouse in backyard. Roof, 8 RS old, HVAC, 2 years old, most windows replaced west/in past 5 years. New water heater, 2018. Replaced all old PVC plumbing with new PEX plumbing in 2019. Guest bath fixtures all replaced in past 2 years, just needs carpet. New paint in 3 rooms. For more information, review the details below or contact Marquita Stevens at 865-584-4000.